Once I'm here, okay, Jimmy here, here and the buttock, okay, and I'm here. Can you see? I'm here. Although I'm going down, but you see there's a stiffness. But now there is nothing here. If I'm here, there's still here.
You got to come and see how it drops in the back.
You guys don't. You guys don't know me enough, right? So Gabriel is going to follow me for a year. You see a lot of Martian activity. The Martian fighter moved like this. Can you see? This here is here. And I do this all the time. People think I'm joking. I'm actually training. Normal people, they move like this. So when I move, can you see? This is always here. It's training. Okay, feel. Buttock. Bia. Like this. Bia. Lock it, lock it. This is normal. Can you see?
Oh.
That's why I can move. Everybody try it. You paid for it. Here, the buttock. That's it. Bia. See? Can you see? Feel this here? But you won't feel anything. If you are here, your hand move will bounce back. Buttock. Yeah. Okay. Watch here.这就是陈 my last name. Chen. The Taiji word Chen, but not that meaning. Okay? Chen means sinking like lead in water. So our problem is when you touch, we fight like a ball, like a ball. This touch is like lead, goes into my feet. Okay, Bia. Like this. Can you see? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you see? This is you. No. Lower. Buttock. You guys don't know your body parts? So when we fight, watch. This is a fight with the chest. But no. The chest falls into my buttock. It's at the bottom. So I move. It's very easy now, right? Yeah. Okay. Bia. Like that. Can you see? This is stiff fighting. But now, it's not stiff anymore. I know you love me, but not that much. On that side. So you can see from here. Yeah, okay. Oh, he has a good bia. When there is a bia, can you see? You're stiff. So now, I'll show you why. Once you're here, your feet and hands are free. Here, not free. Once it's free, can you see that the center? There's no more problem. You can do whatever you want. Otherwise, can you see you're doing this? Now you see that?
Yes.
D-link.
Okay.
Yeah, D-link. So come watch me, because you said, aha. Woody, right?
Yeah.
See, watch. When he becomes strong, see, we all, can you see, D-linked. But once it's here, this is loose. Otherwise, everything powers back. So this is the, show you the number 2. This one is made in Beijing. This is called the ninja turtle technique. Can you see? So ninja turtle, there's a turtle back on me. That's like a wall on me, helping me all the time. See? Otherwise, can you see? You look at the back. All right? Now that there's a wall on me, can you see? When I move, that wall does not move anymore. That one looks a little bit better. Better than this one. Let me tell you, there's a guy in MMA fighter like McGregor or something.
Yeah, Conor McGregor.
Before the fight, he does that walk, 100% Tai Chi, very high level. People think he's joking. He's moving like this. Everybody's moving like this. Right? Very, very good. He's very tight here. Everything else is loose. Okay, let's do this move.